How to enable two-step authentication on Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on account center. Once you're here, you want to select password and security option, then tap on two-factor authentication. Select your Instagram account from here. Then you're going to find three different security methods. The first one is authentication app. The second one is text message or WhatsApp. You can basically choose any one of these options. I'm going to choose the text message option. Tap on next. Then you have to enter your mobile number. Once you have entered the mobile number, tap on next. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number you have just entered. Copy the code and then paste it here. Now tap on next. And as you can see, your two-factor authentication has been turned on. Tap on done. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.